Good morning, folks. So another mod coming out for this Tacoma. So this time around I want to give it a shot to replacing this panel here and see how it comes out. So this is the box that it came with. Let me tell you this, the quality of the product is pretty good. So this is the kit. The packaging is great. So they're nice enough to include you some pair of gloves, instructions manual, this wrench here, some screws, and the pry tool. And this is the main of the show, basically. You should call it item of the show. Is this piece here. Great quality, texture wise and build quality wise, is no different than the original. Alright, first we're gonna remove this SRS airbag cap here. I noticed the pry tool that they included is not ideal. Luckily I do have this picking tool here. So what I'm gonna do is try to lift this up slightly, ever so, to insert the included pry tool. There you go. And makes it much easier. Now we're gonna remove this screw. They did include the wrench that comes with the installation kit. This is out. Now let's wiggle this piece. All right. Just kind of be a little gentle with this. So I just want to show you that this bottom portion here, it sits really snug. So what you want to do is kind of wiggle it and then slowly pull it out. There you go. Awesome. And this is it. Okay, so the next step is going to be, we're going to come back to this pry tool again and try to remove this piece here, trim for the speaker. So you do want to insert it there you go. So if you just, let me show it. The way I did it, I came around here, try to insert it like this, so that way I won't damage the piece much. I mean, if you don't care, you can just kind of try to push it through, but I just didn't want to, with my OCD, everything needs to be as much as possible perfect. So I came from the side and then kind of lifted up with the pry tool. Okay, for the next part, we do want to insert this provided clip here. This is a screw. It's for the screw here, because initially we never used this, if you remember. It was only this piece, but this is how you can tell originally Toyota did intend to use the grab handle on this side as well, because otherwise they wouldn't have put it up here. But for whatever reasons, probably cost cutting or whatnot, or maybe try to send it for other regions where the steering wheel is on the right hand side. For those regions, Toyota did ended up leaving this space here beneath. So this is it. This is how it goes, and this is where the next screw is gonna go. All right, quick thing. You do see these tabs here, right? So let me show you where these two pieces will go in. It is a bit tricky because you do have this exposed speaker, so you don't want to damage that. There are two holes. There's one larger one and there's a smaller one right here. So this is where these two tabs will go in. So you want to be a little patient with this and just kind of wiggle it, play with it until it gets into that hole, those two holes, and then slowly start kind of working your way from bottom up. So let's do that. looks like they're lined up. And that's it right here. Those tabs are in those places, and obviously you can tell that it's sitting properly by looking at these screw holes here. And I hope camera can get this piece right here. There we go. That's the other hole where we're going to be using the second screw. The kit actually did include these 2 screws, so if you want you can use them both. If not, you can use one of the original ones. So let's do that. I'm going to use these covers to close those holes. They're even nice enough to actually mark them for you so you don't get them confused. So this is lower, this is upper. So we're going to use the up to cover the hole. This one is closed now. The bottom piece, lower piece. Lastly, let's not forget about this piece here. And now we have grab handles on both sides of the truck. I believe this is how it should have come from the factory, but anyway, just a nice little upgrade. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll catch you guys in future videos. Take care.